Welcome to the last day in the last session of content creation. Now, I believe the journey so far has been great and it has been awesome. Starting from the first class now to the last class, which is monetizing your content. Now, I believe at the end of this class, you should be able to tell yourself, I am a professional content creator, or I am on my way to becoming a professional content creator. Now we've talked about content creation and everything that pertains about content creation. So the last phase of this class is talking about, now that you're a content creator, how can you really monetize your content? Now we all know that the reason why some persons are going into content is because they want to make money. Yes, in fact, we want to make money with our content. Now, even while you are imparting people, it is expedient that you make money from imparting people. Is that okay? So that's why we'll be talking about monetizing your content. So if you've missed out from the day one of this very content creation class, go through our videos. Trust me, you are going to learn a lot down to this very last class. Content creation, it is an art. But you see, monetizing or monetization is a strategy. Now, by leveraging on the right approach, you can actually turn your passion to profit. Yes, you can turn your passion into profit. So I'm going to be telling you some effective ways you can actually monetize your content so that it will not look as if you are just wasting your time creating videos without making any returns. First, you need to know what are the different type of monetization models. How can you really monetize your content, and what ways can you monetize your content? Number one is advertisement. Now, platforms like YouTube, blog sites, they actually allow creators to earn money, earn revenue by running ADS. What is ADS? Advertisement. You can actually partner with AD network like Google AdSense, Adstera, and the rest. Now, these people, they offer impressions and click. So you actually make money by impressions and by click. Most people on YouTube, how they actually make money on their YouTube channel, YouTube actually run advert on their videos. Now you see, you watch video, before you know, you see an advert pop up. Now those adverts is where YouTube themselves make money and they pay you for advertising on your videos. So you can partner with any of these companies, Google AdSense or AD Astera or any of these advertising company, and you partner with them and you start making money from your videos. Number two is through sponsorship. You will see something like collaborating with brands to promote their products, or their services. You see a brand contact you and they, oh, we love your video, we love your content, we want to collaborate with you, we want you to help us create a video to talk about our product or our brand. Now, companies are going to pay you. I collaborate with companies. On my TikTok, on my YouTube, I advertise for companies, and at the end, they pay me for it. So you yourself, you can actually make money by advertising for people. We call it sponsorship, by collaborating with these companies, and they pay you for you to just do an advert for them. But the only way this company can actually collaborate with you is if your niche align with what they want. If your niche and your audience really align with what they want. So our advice is to create a good niche so that if companies come to you, they can boldly tell you, okay, we want to work with you because your niche align with what we want. Number three is through products. You can sell digital products like ebook, downloadable products, course, templates, or physical merchandise that are tailored to your audience. These can actually generate significant income. So you can actually create some courses. I do that also. I create course and I upload it for people to purchase. So you can actually make money through this very way. There are some criteria you need to have or you need to get before you can actually make money selling products, like having a good audience. Because if you don't have a good community, nobody is going to patronize you. Have a good community and create a good product for them to purchase. Before you can make money also as a content creator, you need to build your personal brand. Building a personal brand is very, very important when it comes to content creation. Now, when you get a strong personal brand, it establishes trust and authority in your niche. Now, the reason why I advise you to get your own personal brand is because it defines your unique voice and consistently deliver values. You'll be active across platforms to ensure visibility and recognition. You'll be able to share authentic stories and insights to connect with your audience on a personal level. If you don't have a brand or you don't even have a brand name, this is an opportunity for you to start getting a brand name so that company can come reaching out for you in order to collaborate with you to make money. Next thing you need to do is you grow and engage your audience. So growing and engaging your audience as a content creator is very, very important. But before you can do that, you need to know this. Number one, consistency is very important. You need to post regularly to stay up to date. Engagement. Make sure to respond to comments. When you see comment, respond to your comment. Like people's account, like people's post. When they comment on your post, reply to comments, share, and the rest. So the more you are engaging on others, or the more you are engaging on your videos, the more your videos will be gaining visibility. So if you are watching me, you don't respond to people's comments, you are doing yourself. It is expedient you respond to people's comments. It's very, very important. Quality content. You know, I always tell you it is not all about quantity, but it is all about quality. Ensure that your content has quality. If you know you'll be creating anyhow videos, stop it. It is about time you start creating quality videos. It is when people say quality on your video, it is when your video has quality that people will actually want to engage with you. So start creating quality videos and not quantity videos. The last one is collaborations. Now, it is not bad if you partner with other creators. Yes, it will help you grow as well. I partner with other creators. Sometimes I go to them and like, okay, how do I do this? How do I do this? So it is not bad. Make sure you collaborate with people that you know that are higher than you, or people that you know that are more than you in that very field. You can learn from them and you can grow with them. Lastly, you need to start using some case study if you want to grow. You need to start using some successful content creators in the industry. Sometimes you need to look at them, e.g. like Mr. Beast. Now, Mr. Beast, starting as a YouTuber, he expanded his brand with sponsorship, a burger chain, and a philanthropic venture, and provided the power of diversified income stream. You see Mr. Beast right now, currently he have his own personal show that is going on. So Mr. Beast is someone you can actually look up to, because when we talk about YouTube, number one YouTuber, the whole world, you see Mr. Beast is going to come out as number one. Monetizing your content is all about aligning your strengths and passion with the need of your audience. With focus and persistence, you can create a sustainable and a profitable career as a content creator. There is money in content, but if only you can do the right thing. So I'm going to end this class by saying, do the right thing as a content creator, and that money you are looking for, it will come. Don't let anybody discourage you from becoming a content creator. Start creating content today and start creating a brand and let the world hear your name. I believe in you. I know someday I'm going to hear about you as a top content creator of our time. Thank you very much for participating in this content creation class. I'll see you in the next class, which is content writing and ghost writing. If you've not subscribed yet, smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, go to the comment section, drop your question so far. From the day one to this period, what have you learned so far? Drop your question. I want to see your question. I want to see your comment. Drop your comment. Share this video to as many you want them to benefit from this class. I'll see you in my next class.